Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and apply. As you see that big burp of air come out of there, that's what we have to get rid of. I'm going to close the bleeder. Release. Apply. Release. Apply. See all those bubbles in there? That's what we're getting out. Release. Apply. You see the caliper begin to work, how it's starting to grip down on the rotor. See all those air bubbles coming out? Release. Apply. There we go, getting good fluid now. We'll give it a couple more pumps. Go ahead and release. Apply. Release. Apply. All right, that should be more than enough. We're not getting any more air bubbles coming out, and we don't see any dirty, nasty, contaminated fluid. It's nice and clear. Old brake fluid will tend to look like coffee. It'll be full of rust and contaminants. That is the proper service procedure for bleeding your brakes.